ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಿ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ electric generator. An electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohms and a conductor of 6 ohm resistance are connected in a series to 9 volt battery as shown in the figure. The total current flowing in the circuit is 0.25 amps. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because this absorbs more heat. The metal used in the filament of an electric bulb is filament ಬಂದು ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. A rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each half revolution. So one revolution ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂತ. The focal length of a lens is plus 0.50 meters. The power of the lens and the type are A 2.0D and convex lens. A device used to change the resistance in the electric circuit is rheostat use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ resistance change ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform, same ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. The nature and the size of the image formed when an object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optical center O of a convex lens are virtual, erect and enlarged. The device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is electric motor. Ohm is the SI unit of resistance. Observe the following table. Material medium. In which material medium the speed of light is very high? Yes. So C is the answer. The source of energy in nuclear power reactor is controlled nuclear fission chain reaction. One property of a convex lens among the following is that is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. Sides alli thin ide ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. A compound that reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce salts and water is aluminum oxide. Propanol. The structural formula of a propanol Al is CHO group. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. This law was proposed by Henry Moseley. Observe the following chemical reactions. Fe plus USO4. The decreasing order of reactivity of the metals in the above reaction is zinc, ferrous, iron, amela copper. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period 4. The number of single bonds and double bonds present in the structure of benzene molecule respectively are 9 and 3. 9 single bonds, 3 double bonds. The gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide. The major component of compressed natural gas is methane. The substance that converts blue litmus paper into red color is gastric juice. The process used to convert sulfite ores of metals into their oxides is roasting. The common molecular formula of both hexane and cyclohexane is C6H12. The acid present in the stinging air of a nettle plant is methanoic acid. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein, fat metabolism ಇದು thyroxine ಅಂತ. A pot that has growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The top part of the seedling bent towards the light of a burning candle. This is phototropism. B. The correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following is these substances. Undergoes recycling naturally in the environment. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in a flower is pollination, fertilization, embryo, ಆಮೇಲೆ seed. Saving electricity by switching off unnecessary work of lights and fans is an example of reduce, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. If a round green seeded pea plant RRYY is crossed with the wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant RRYY, the seeds produced in F1 generation are. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವೈ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವೈಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ. ಸಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ. Homologous organs have same structure and perform same function. Same structure and same function. Have same structure and perform different functions. B. Have same structure and performs different functions. The blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the human body to the hearts are veins. Plants gets rid of excess of water by this process, transpiration. The gap between the two neurons is synapse. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special part called placenta. The common passage for both the sperms and the urine in human male reproductive system is urethra. Which of the following is not the advantage of water harvesting structures? Which of the following is not the advantage of water harvesting structures? Providing breeding grounds for mosquitoes. The experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on to this progeny because they are acquired traits. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Bye.